the seniors and the non-grads. Okay. And Jeric, non-grads and moderator. Ayan, we will be rapping about a name that you guys will give us. And I have to rhyme. Pero if we screw up in any way, we lose that round. Okay? This is best to 3 points. And this is the beat we're gonna be using. Okay, so we got our name?
Right. We have a name from the audience, please. I heard Antonio. Antonio.
Ang favorite pasta niya ay Aglio Olio. He's always angry like a demonyo. Mahilig sa maalat, lalagyan ng chorizo. Siya ay may maraming bisyo. Laging bad mood, laging tinutoyo. Hindi niya alam paano mag-Filipino, parati siyang konyo.
Ang favorite movie niya ay Ponyo.
He doesn't drink, hindi siya lasinggero. May problema siya sa legs niya, diagnosed with polio.
Has a problem with his bladder, needs to go to the banyo.
Okay, it's a draw. The first round. Yung pangalan na medyo challenging dyan. Kendrick. The name is Kendrick.
Faster. Terror prof siya, very strict.
Ang favorite character niya ay si Patrick.
He's in a lot of debt. Yeah, credit. Favorite guitarist niya ay si Jimi Hendrix.
He sucks up the prof. He's a bootlick.
Mahilig sa puso, kumakain ng bupis.
Kendrick, tapos Bopis. Does not meet the Bluebird improv standard. Na hindi na nga masyadong mataas, di ba? Alright, so, 1-0. The name is August.
Ancient one poetry ay Spears and Bolos.
She's really healthy. Yeah, she's robust. He's so prickly like a cactus.
He owns a bank, he can trust.
Sorry. August. You made the same mistake. Oo, parang. Okay, one more. Mahirap na pangalan. mo?
No!
Ay po.
Facundo. Kailangan two-syllable rhyme,
Kick
ha?
him out!
Three syllables na lang po.
Facundo.
Pakundo. Pakundo. Kayo naman.
Facundo. Full start? Alright, so the losing side. Oh, ito na, for the win! For the win!
Sige.
He'll be outright 1 segundo. Favorite Filipino inventor niya ay si Fred Del Mundo.
Sakit sa ulo niya. Ang sakit sa ulo. Favorite ulam niya ay menudo.
They're my world, they're my mundo. Very fast, it only takes ilang segundo. They're a legal nerd or a fan of Segismundo. May sakit pumunta sa albularyo.